Question number 1. Which of the following is the simplest level of structural organization? The correct answer is option B, chemical level. Question number 2. The smallest unit of life is the The correct answer is option C, cell. Question number 3. A group of similar cells performing a common function is called The correct answer is option C, tissue. Question number 4. The human body as a whole represents the If you found this video helpful, please comment, like, and subscribe. The correct answer is option C, organism level. Question number 5. Which level of organization comes immediately after molecules? The correct answer is option C, cells. Question number 6. Which level includes two or more tissue types working together? The correct answer is option A, organ. Question number 7. The heart is an example of which level of organization? The correct answer is option B, organ. Question number 8. Blood is classified under which structural level? The correct answer is option C, tissue. Question number 9. The respiratory system represents which level of organization? The correct answer is option B, organ system. Question number 10. Which of the following is not part of the chemical level? The correct answer is option C, organelles. Question number 11. Which of these is the correct sequence of structural organization? The correct answer is option B, chemical, cell, tissue, organ, system, organism. Question number 12. Which is the most complex level of organization? The correct answer is option C, organism. Question number 13. DNA is part of which structural level? The correct answer is option A, chemical. Question number 14. A neuron is an example of which level? The correct answer is option B, cell. Question number 15. Muscle tissue is made up of The correct answer is option A, muscle cells. Question number 16. Which of the following consists of different organs working together? The correct answer is option B, organ system. Question number 17. Which comes immediately before the organ level? The correct answer is option A, tissue. Question number 18. The stomach belongs to which level? The correct answer is option A, organ. Question number 19. Which of the following is a system level structure? The correct answer is option C, nervous system. Question number 20. Which of the following is part of the chemical level? The correct answer is option A, oxygen atom.